Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing questions from the NTSE, which is the National Talent Search Exam, which was conducted in the year 2018-19, and we're going to concentrate on the stage 1 of the test. So today we'll be doing question number 1. So in question number 1, it has been said that if the ratio of the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, and that is equal to the ratio of the roots of the equation x square plus lx plus m is equal to 0. In that case, we have the following 4 options. Option A is p square m is equal to q square l. Option B is pm square is equal to q square l. Option C is p square l is equal to q square m. And option D is p square m is equal to l square q. Okay, so what we'll try to do over here is there, let alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0, and let gamma and delta be the roots of the equation x square plus lx plus m equal to 0. So there are 2 things. So that implies, now it has been given that alpha by beta is equal to gamma by delta. So now if we apply the component and dividend rules, we get alpha plus beta is equal to alpha minus beta, and that is equal to gamma plus delta upon gamma minus delta. Now if we square both sides, so this will be alpha plus beta whole square upon alpha minus beta whole square, and that will be equal to gamma plus delta whole square upon gamma minus delta whole square. So this can be further written down as alpha plus beta whole square upon alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 of alpha beta, and this will be equal to gamma plus delta whole square upon gamma plus delta whole square minus 4 of gamma delta. So now if we take the reciprocal of the, so if we take the reciprocal of the structure here, so this will give us 1 minus 4 alpha beta upon alpha plus beta whole square, and this will be equal to 1 minus 4 of gamma delta upon gamma plus delta whole square. Now this 1 and 1 cancels out, the minus signs cancel out, and 4 cancel out from both sides. So we are left with alpha beta upon alpha plus beta whole square, and this is equal to gamma delta upon gamma plus delta whole square. So now we know that alpha beta is nothing but equal to c, and alpha minus beta is nothing but equal to minus p. This is minus p whole square. Let us find out the value of alpha beta once again. So alpha beta, as you can see over here, alpha beta will be equal to q, and gamma plus delta will be equal to minus l, and gamma into delta will be equal to m. So these are the values that we'll be using over here. So this gives us alpha beta will be equal to, so this will be q upon minus p whole square, and this will be equal to n upon, or rather it is m over here, and alpha plus delta is equal to minus l, this will be whole square. So finally we are left with q upon p square, and this will be equal to m upon l square. So the final result will be p square m into l square q, which is, as you can see, is the option D. Option D over here is the correct answer. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.